What's up, YouTube? This is Zach, and I am back. Yes, it's been a minute. I've been real busy, had a lot to do, but wanted to bring a quick one to you guys that I think you definitely need to pick up for the fall. Stay tuned. Okay, so this one is Black Agent by Pascal Morabito. Now, so this I haven't seen, a lot of reviews on this, maybe one or two. This is a cheapie, so this one is not expensive. I want to say I paid like less than $15 for this, but I see the price is maybe gone up a little bit. It's like 16 bucks or something. But so to describe this fragrance, it is a spicy kind of incensey type fragrance. Supposed to smell similar to Bulgari Man in black. What I get from this, if I had to pick something that reminds me of the same scent, it would probably be my English Laundry Windsor. So if you like English Laundry Windsor, if you have that, then this is a similar type of scent. It's not polarizingly strong or anything. I think it's just right. So fall is upon us, and I think this would be like a perfect fall fragrance. So if you like those spicy kind of, scents like, Spicebomb and things of that nature, this will definitely fit well within your rack. Now, I don't know much about this house. I really kept seeing this when I was browsing on, I think, Fragrance X. And I was like, man, there's something about this, the shape of the bottle or something. I like stuff like this. I mean, it's like, it's square, this matte black finish. And when I, how sometimes you read the notes, you're like, oh, that might be good. And so I was like, well, it's not going to cost that much, so let me go ahead and pick it up. And so I got it, and oh man, I was pleasantly surprised at the scent. I mean, because this is one of those type of scents that I love. It's this type of scent smells really good on me. Everybody's not going to like it because, a lot of people, everybody doesn't like spicy fragrances. This is an Oriental, of course. The nose behind it is Henry Bergia. I think this is how you pronounce it. Bergia. Henry Bergia. And the top notes are bergamot, pink pepper. Middle notes are rose, tuberose, cloves. And the base notes are incense, tonka bean, vetiver, and musk. Okay, so I think a lot of the spiciness or whatever is coming from the cloves and the incense. You really pick up that incense on the opening, but it doesn't last long. As far as the opening, the strong scent, it kind of pulls back after a while, but it's really pleasant. I think again, if you like, I haven't had my nose on Bulgari Man in Black, but I do know I love Windsor, and this reminds me a lot of English Laundry Windsor, and everybody doesn't like Windsor. I mean, again, you have to like spicy Oriental type fragrances to like this. But I'm telling you, for the money and for what you get, it's a no-brainer. I mean, you're not gonna lose getting this for the fall. I mean, I'm wearing it today. I'm like literally wearing it right now, and it's not even fall yet, but I don't care. So I was going to review like Mancera, lemon lime, and something else, but I had this on today, and I was like, man, I got to tell them about this one because it's a cheapie, and it's a good cheapie. I mean, and so again, when I say cheapie, I'm not saying it's cheap in quality, because trust me, if you told me this was $16, I'd tell you you're lying. This is I think 100 ml bottle. I'm not sure if it's 100 ml or 50 ml, but I think it's 100. Yeah, it is 100. So get this if you want something to start off the fall with. Again, it's not really that strong offensive type of scent. You won't offend people with this. You can give several sprays, and I don't think anyone's going to be offended by it. So I think it's just right in that strength category. As far as longevity, I would say that it's pretty moderate. I wouldn't call it beast mode or anything, but that's why I say it's just right, and it's just right for the fall as well. But you can get this now and probably wear it now and not have anyone coughing or being cloying around them. So I would try this, man. Like, again, you know, guys know that come to the channel, I usually don't steer you wrong. And again, for the price, man, you know, I love finding stuff like this that, you know, doesn't cost a whole lot of money, but it smells expensive. And this is one of those. And I believe that once people catch on to this one, they're going to start talking about it a little bit more. But I'm telling you guys earlier, telling you now. I mean, it's been around for a while. I think it. Let's see, when did it come out? I don't know. I can't find. I'm looking on Fragrantica right now. I don't see a year that it was introduced. But at any rate, if people start getting this, I promise you, it's gonna end up on their list of cheapies that smell expensive or smells great for the price. So you can't lose. Get this Black Agent by Pascal Morabito, spicy. Fall type fragrance. So check it out when you get a chance. Thanks for stopping by, and peace.